Here's the website I'm trying to use. It's saying the Flash uploader requires active Flash. So in order to get that for Firefox, you need to go to get.adobe.com/flashplayer. And click the drop down arrow and select tar.gz for Linux, and then click download now. Save file. And when that's done, go to your downloaded folder. Right-click the file you downloaded. And select Open with Arc. You can see all the files that are inside this archive. We need to extract it to, and I'm going to extract it to this folder here, Firefox Flash Player, and just click Extract. And here's all the files. Now we need to move one of the files over to your home.mozilla folder, and in there you should have a folder called Plugins. If it's not there, you need to create it. So create new folder, Plugins. Okay, now you're going to need to go to your extracted files and copy libflashplayer.so to the plugins folder. Okay, after that we need to restart Firefox. And I'm going to go back to the page I tried to use before. And now it says run Adobe Flash. Click it, then click Allow. And everything's good to go. That's all there is to it. Thanks for watching.